Hey guys, if you are an Amazon influencer or looking to get started with the Amazon influencer program, today's video is going to be a game changer for you. We are going to dive into an amazing tool called SellerSprite, and I'm going to show you how it can help you with product research to find the best items to promote and make money. SellerSprite is a powerful product research tool specifically designed to help Amazon sellers and influencers find winning product to promote. It's packed with features that allow you to discover trending products, analyze competition, and pick the best items to focus on. As an Amazon influencer, choosing the right product to promote can be hard. You want items that not only sell well but also resonate with your audience. That's where SellerSprite comes in. This tool makes product research super easy. With just few clicks. You can find high demand products with low competition, which is key to boosting your affiliate commissions. Getting started with SellerSprite is super simple. All you need to do is just need to sign up using your email address for an account, and you can start searching for products right away, whether you are beginner or a pro. The interface is easy to navigate, and support team is always there to help you if you need it. I'll show you how you can use it step by step. So let's get started. All you need to do, like I said, you just need to use your email address to sign up. This will be your home page after you finish your sign up process. All you need to do is just need to click here on tools. Okay, they have a lot of tools, guys. They have not just products research, they have competitor lookup, product research, market research, keyword research, and so much more. So for me, for this in this video, we'll focus on products research because it's very important for every Amazon influencer or Amazon seller. Okay, so just click on product research and you will be directly in this page over here. All you need to do is just need to choose the market that you want to use. For example, I'm gonna keep using United States, so I will choose United States. So for select month, you guys can choose 30 days. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down presets. This one is for Amazon FBA sellers, so you don't need to use it if you are an Amazon influencer. So I will scroll down here and I will go to sales. Okay, and under sales we have monthly sales, we have also monthly revenue. So I will go for revenue and I will choose product that are getting $1 million monthly revenue. Okay, so I will type 1 million. Okay, 1 million, and I will go over here to why 1 million, because those products, they are getting crazy sales and they will be the winning product for you. Okay, I'll show you more. Okay, so just let me go over here, go to the product, and over here to the price. So maximum we will go to $20, $20. Okay, and for the category here, guys, I will go to select a category. You guys can click here and choose which category you want to use. So you have a lot of categories. We have beauty and personal care, books, phones and clothing, and so much more. Okay, so you can apply this strategy to any category that you want to use. So for example, for me, I will choose beauty and personal care. Okay, I will click here on confirm, and here you go. So what you will do next, you just need to scroll down here and go over here and click on search now. Okay, and you will find a lot of product with a lot of data. And here you go, if I scroll down here, and there you go. Okay, so you will find SellerSprite will gives you a lot of product with more data that will help you to choose those winning products as an Amazon influencer or Amazon seller. Okay, you guys can see, you will find here we have unit sold and we have the numbers here. We have the revenue, like this product is getting $3.2 million in revenue, which is really good. This is the price, 12 $0.99, rating count increase, and more. Okay, so I will click over here to see this products on Amazon. You can click on view on Amazon and you will be directly in this Amazon products page. If I scroll down here, you guys can see that this product is getting over 100k sales in the past month. Okay, over 100 sales in the past month. This is the winning product that you should start promoting as an Amazon influencer. Okay, you guys can see, you look how many sales these products are getting, look how many reviews here. That's really a lot. So this product is a good one. If I go back to SellerSprite, we have a lot of products, so you can choose the product. You can also, guys, uh, click over here on view products history trend. Let me show you, and you can export all this data to your Excel. If you click over here on Excel, you can export this to your laptop so you can get more and choose a profitable winning product from SellerSprite. Okay, you have a lot of data. You have the monthly, you have sales, you have the revenue of the product, and you have the price of the product, which is really good. And you have also this graph here showing you this the product analytics. Okay, which is really good. Like, it's very helpful. You can apply this, like I said, guys, you can apply this strategy to any category of any category that you want to use. Okay, so you don't need to choose just this category, guys. Like I said, you can apply this method and this strategy on all categories. Go to the category again here and you choose which category you want to see, which products are doing good in this category, and pick, just choose the category from here, confirm, and there you go. You will find a lot of products. So SellerSprite will help you a lot to find winning product. If we go back to this Amazon products page, you guys can see that this product is a good one. The numbers don't lie. You can see here this product, just this one, is getting over 100k sales in the past month. Over 100k people paid for this product in the past month, meaning that this one is a good one for you as an Amazon influencer. Okay, which is really good. They also, guys, have tutorial videos, so if you want to go, if you didn't understand something, you guys can click over here on tutorial video and you can watch the video about product research to get more idea and more info. Okay, they have a video here, so you see, you can click on the video, watch the video to understand more. They also have, guys, an extension. If you guys want to install SellerSprite extension in your laptop, you can click over here on extension. If you scroll down, you can click on install like this and scroll down here. Let me show you SellerSprite extension. You can scroll down, and if you are using Google Chrome, you can click over here to install. If you are using Safari, iPad, or any browser that you are using. So for me, I'm using Google Chrome. I'm gonna click over here on to install SellerSprite extension like this, and there you go. You just need to click on add to Chrome, and that's it. It's super easy and simple. That's how you can install SellerSprite also extension in your laptop, so it will help you a lot. Okay, so if you are an Amazon influencer and want to take your product research to the next level, I suggest to start using SellerSprite. It's a powerful, easy to use tool and will save you time and help you find the best product to promote. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you guys.